Dee, and welcome to the Mindful Oracle, this channel. Today, I'm doing something a little different. My voice is slowly coming back, so I will hopefully next week be able to do the guided meditations recordings that I want to, and some of the pick a cards. So everything goes continuing healing well. But Tamed Wild is today's video. This box is only $20. Unlike some of the other spiritual boxes that cost around $35, $40, this one is just $20. And I really feel like you get your money's worth. I've often, so hopefully, I'm not saying that, and then all of a sudden today I'm going to be like, oh, this is so bad. But hopefully, they haven't disappointed me yet. So let's see what's going on. Open the box. It looks like this inside. Ooh. My sneaky peek just made me go, okay, so yeah, they do not give me prices, but if I look them up and I can find them, I will post them right up somewhere around here. So let's see here. This is an amulet, I believe, because it kind of feels like one that they said be in here. It's a tarot card amulet. Oh. Okay, so for me, the one I got is the Hermit. I can't tell you how often the Hermit shows up in my readings, whether it's a reading I do or someone else's. He's popping around all the time. So that just fit well for me. Totally. Oh, so cute. I'll put that on one of my chains. Let's see how. So I got the tarot card amulet. Okay, it tells you how to put it on. It's the Hermit asks that we step back from our routine, put our muggle responsibilities on hold, at least temporarily, and dive deep into the well of inner knowing. The Hermit asks us to reflect on the big question, what is our purpose? I do feel like a hermit often, especially during this quarantine. Just saying. Okay, so I think these are ritual tools in here. So for Samhain, with Halloween coming up, they also talk about hosting a dumb supper, which is where you have guests over with the empty chair and you eat quietly. And it's just to see, inviting if there's any spirits that wish to join. And people, while you're eating in silence, different people are supposed to have different experiences, and they share it after the meal. So that talks about this, and this talks about Beyond the Veil. But these tools, so, did I just do that? I sure did. I'm so old. It hurts to bend. So, these tarot cards, it's just 3 of them. These cards have chosen you. Each of these cards speaks an area of your life that is calling for your attention. When combined, they have a message for you. Do not look at or attempt to decipher these cards until the second part of the ritual. Oh, how neat. These are very interesting. I'm going to do this ritual. I am really interested in this. And then there's a full moon tea. Yeah, everyone knows Halloween, we have a full moon. It's a blue moon since it's the second full moon in the month of October. And it is our wonderful harvest moon. But here is Martisan Herbal Tea. My wife and I have been enjoying this, and teas have been so helpful with my voice and my throat healing. Okay, so this is a tarot guidebook. So this is supposed to tell you what cards mean and how to do different spreads. Honestly, I do intuitive readings. So these books usually don't, because the symbols, what they mean in your life and mean to you. So when you look at the cards, you can read them. And that's how I read it, intuitively. Now, let's see here. Okay, so, this is a selenite wand. I do have a wand upstairs, but It's all smoothed out. And this one is not. This is very raw. This, with an ethereal glow and fine vibration, it's no surprise that selenite penetrates the veil between earthly and angelic realms. It's the crystal that awakens the third eye and crown chakras, and therefore a priceless tool for accessing memories suppressed within the subconscious. And this is to be used with this ritual. All right, what have we got here? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, pendulum. This is rather nice. Wow. And this is a brass pendulum that's used for this ritual. When used in divination, brass pendulums are resilient, protective, and highly communicative. Brass tools are unique in that they amplify communication, but only after they filter out low vibrational energies. I do look forward to trying this out. Definitely. And let's see what else we got in here. My body is hurting so much right now. Oh, my back. I'm going to rest after this. I have a heating pad on right now, and I'm still like, I love when they give us little stickers. This is the little sticker. It's got the eye. Now, this is a tarot cloth. And let's see, do they have much about this tarot cloth? It's just use this divination cloth to help you decipher your pendulum's movements. Oh, that is nice. I mean, I have the boards that can be used. Little circular boards, but here is a cloth. Now, some of you might say, oh, this is much like a Ouija board. Well, it is another way of communicating with spirits. Kind of this needs to air out. It's got a smell to it. So, this came up with some really nice tools. There's a whole ritual to do. They have the history of Samhain on the other side of the card. I like this box. Once again, I'm happy. I am much happier with what I got in this box than I did in my other boxing this month, which was the spiritual goodies, which was kind of disappointment. And that one's like $39.99 or $39.95. So yeah, I'm going to definitely keep getting Tamed Wild because good price and you get some nice tools. And I like that. Tell me what you do to celebrate and what you're planning. If you celebrate Halloween, Samhain, whatever your beliefs are. I know some people are afraid of Halloween and try and change it so it's something, they do focus on harvest, which that's what we're doing too with this full moon. Anyway, I love you guys. I appreciate you. Please subscribe to this channel. Help me grow here. I do have a Patreon and a website. The links are down below. And if you want to get personal readings and so forth, or get to know me better, you can always, that's definitely a way. My socials are also down below. So that's about it. I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Oh, I got makeup. I was watching. Can you tell? Yeah.